Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about binomial theorem. One more concept of binomial theorem. Now let us start the class. See here, the quotient of x power of 4 in the expansion of 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power of 11. So this is the given question. So we find out the x power of 4 quotient, but here given expansion is nothing but multinomial, not trinomial, not binomial. So see here, but here we can change into binomial. See here, how to change? See here, 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power of 11 is there. Okay, so we have right now 1 plus x whole power of 11 into 1 plus x square whole power of 11. Okay, so we are first of all we are multiplying both of them. What we get here? 1 into 1 we get here. 1 into x square also we get here. X into 1 x into x square x cube. So 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power of 11 can be changed into 1 plus x whole power of 11 into 1 plus x whole power of 1 plus x square whole power of 12. So binomial can change it. Now we write here this expansion 1 plus x whole power of n form is there. So 1 plus x whole power of n is nothing but nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2 x square plus up to so on ncn x power of n. Okay, see here x square is there, so in place of x we substitute x square. Okay, so we find out here this expansion now 11c0 plus 11c1x 11c2x square plus up to so on. Okay, next this expansion I will write here. Same again 11c0 plus 11c1x square we get here. So begin with x square. 11c2 x square whole power of 2, that is whole power of 4 we get here. Okay, so 11c3 x square whole power of 3, that is x power of 6 up to so on we get here. Okay, so then after we find out here x power of 4 coefficient here. How to get x power of 4? See here 11c1 x is there. Here 11c1 x is there, so there are no x power of 4 terms here. X into 11c0 we get here 11cx, that is not x power of 4 coefficient. Okay, suppose here we are multiplying this one and this one. Okay, so what we get here 11c2 into 11c1 x square into x square is nothing but x power of 4 we get here. So we write here the quotient of x power of 4 is, okay, so here 11c2 x square, 11c3 x cube, 11c4 x power of 4 also exist here in this expansion. So that is nothing but first one is 11c4. Then after not only 11c4, see here, suppose x square and this x square multiplied by that one. So 11c4 x power of 4 is multiplied by 11c0, we get here 11c4 x power of 4 we get here. Okay, so this value is nothing but 1. Okay, next so x into this one x cube we get here, x into x power of 4, so x power of 5. So we don't get x power of 4 value by multiplied by 11c1 x. So this multiply చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చే values లో x power of 4 వచ్చే value లేదు కాబట్టి దాన్ని లిమిట్ చేస్తుంది. 11c2 x square, 11c2 x square is there. So 11c2 x square into 11c1 x square, that will be 11c 1 into 11c2 x power of 4 we get here. So that is the x power of 4th coefficient. So we get here 11c2 into 11c1. Okay. So then after place. Okay. So here 11c2 x power of 4 is there. So this is multiplied by this one. 11c0 is nothing but 1. So again what we get here 11c2 into 1. So that is also x power of 4 coefficient. So when we are multiplying these two expansions, only we get here these three values are the coefficient of x power of 4. So how to find out here? See here 11c4 is nothing but 11 into 11c4 value 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 11c4. 11c2 is nothing but 11 into 10 divided by 2 into 1 into 11c1 is nothing but 11. Same 11c2 also same value 11 into 10 divided by 2 into 1. Okay. So 2 4s are 8. 2 into 4 is nothing but 8. That will be cancelled. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Okay. So 11 into 3 33, 33 into 10 330 we get here. Plus 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 11 into 11 121, 121 into 5 is nothing but 605 we get here. 605 plus 2 1s are 2 5s are. So we get here 11 5s are 55. So we get the answer 990. Now the next question is the coefficient of x power of 2, y power of 3, z power of 4 in the expansion of ax minus by plus cz whole power of 9 is how much? Options are given here. 1260 a square b cube c power of 4 minus 1260 a square b cube c power of 4 and third one is 1220 a cube b cube c power of 4. Fourth one is minus 1220 a cube b cube c a square b cube c power of 4. Okay, now given expansion is nothing but ax minus by plus cz whole power of 9. So this is trinomial expansion. How to expand? This is here. Summation of r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equals to 9. Yeah, 9 is the 9 we take here. So 9 factorial divided by r1 factorial, r2 factorial, r3 factorial into ax whole power of r1 minus by whole power of r2 cz whole power of r3 we take here. So this is the trinomial expansion actually. We find out here x power of 2, y power of 3, z power of 4. So how to get here? r1 equals to 2, r2 equals to 3, r3 equals to 4 we take it. Okay. So that is nothing but the coefficient of x square y cube z power of 4 is what we know 9 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. r1 equals to 2, r2 equals to 3, r3 equals to 4. So a power of 2 we get here. Okay. So minus b y whole power of 3, that is nothing but minus b power of 3, that is minus b cube. Okay. Next c z power of 4, that is nothing but c power of 4 we get here. This is the coefficient of x square y cube z power of 4. How to get here? x square y cube z power of 4 r1 equals to 2, r2 equals to 3 తీసుకుంటున్నాం, r3 equals to 4 తీసుకుంటాం కాబట్టి a power of 2, b power of 3, c power of 4 we get here. Okay, simply this value may be equals to either 1260 or 1220. Why? Because before minus we got here already. Okay, so now simplify that one. So 9 factorial, can it now? So 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 also into 4 factorial by 2 factorial is nothing but 2. Okay, into 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial as it is related, both are cancelled, and a square b cube c power of 4. So 6 also cancel here, 2 ones are 2, 4s are. Okay, so what we get here? 5 into 7 into 4 into 9. Okay, so 5 4s are 20, 20 7s are 140, 140 into 9. So 140 into 9, that is nothing but 1260 we get here, minus 1260 a square b cube c power of 4 we get here. So this is the quotient of x square y cube z power of 4. So option number 2 is the right answer. Okay.